Hi, I'm Andrew Lambert, president of Lambert Consulting, and thank you for stopping by to watch this video. Over the last 10 years, we have grown into a company that I'd always dreamed about. We started very humble beginnings, literally in a spare bedroom in my old house, and have grown to have employees working for me all over the US. I actually took this position when I saw small businesses in need. I was a small business development consultant from 2009 to 2010. And when that contract and our department was terminated by the state level, it was time to do the right thing and stand by them. From that point, it was only one-to-one consulting. Here we are 10 years later. I have several great employees stationed throughout the Midwest. I have a ton of clients ranging coast to coast, and we are reaching one of the goals I had, which was to become a full-term advertising agency. This video, we're gonna highlight some of that, maybe a couple of testimonials and a little fun along the way. Thanks for joining us, and again, happy 10th anniversary to Lambert Consulting. A lot of people ask me, what is Lambert Consulting? What exactly is it that you do? And the answer is a lot. We actually have 3 different services that we provide at any given time, many of which overlap with each other. For example, when we started, we were a traditional marketing firm in that we would do the consulting, but we would also do media buying, brand and logo development, business cards, the essentials when most startups are ready to go. These are the things that they need. But after a while, people started asking me and asking my team, well, what is it that you can offer beyond this? Yeah, we like the business cards, and yeah, we enjoy the consulting that you offer us, but we really need to get online. That led us to the second thing that we developed, online advertising. Right now, those services are everything from SEO improvements, website builds, social media management, Google AdWords. If you want a footprint on there, you almost have to have both. You have to be able to have a great web presence, but still have some of the traditional marketing material that's out there. What's really unique about us is that each one of the employees that you might encounter through Lambert Consulting have these different skills. You're actually working with multiple people who have different talents, and you may get a team of people working just on your brand or your company. A lot of times, bigger marketing advertising firms, they love to give you a sales representative, somebody who's got a lot of energy, but not the connections and not the network, and certainly not the team to take you to the next level. That's how we've stood out. That's how we've survived for 10 years. But the third component I want to talk about is the creativity and what I call community. One of the things that I wanted to do with this company long ago was to have a positive impact around the people we serve. In that regard, I've started the Monroe County Autism Foundation, both as a founding member, then a marketing director, and then president. I went on to be a founding member of Creative Indiana, where we lifted up both the people on the creative side of life as well as business and brought new training together. Became a marketing director with that, and then we eventually passed it on to another organization that's running it today. I love working with nonprofits because I see them contributing back to the society that we're in and the things that we need to have. To that regard, one of the questions that I get a lot is, well, how do we know you know what you're doing? Well, lucky for you, Lambert goes way beyond just traditional business. My goal with anybody we serve is to make sure that we're bringing a little fun with the stuff we're doing. Outside of my work, my day-to-day stuff, I have started a wonderful business podcast called Mind Your Business. I wrote a book about higher education called Be the Lime, An Insider's Guide to College, which, by the way, I am a multi-award-winning professor, winning awards between 2010 and 2015 for bringing new ways of teaching business into the classroom. I also have a band that's very groovy called The Way Far Out, and when I have free time, I do a little bit of stand-up comedy. My biggest challenge I see with competitors out there right now is that they have the knowledge of the numbers. They're great analytical tools, and they should be. We should be telling you about the return on investment when you work with us. But here's the trick. They don't have the creativity. They're not out in the marketplace either trying to grow something or learn something, bringing other tools and connections together for their clients. It blows my mind when somebody says, I'm a great writer, but they've never actually put anything out. They've never tried to publish a book, or they've never done stand-up comedy. They've never done anything that would teach them patience, timing, and the ability to just get people to laugh. So at Lambert Consulting over 10 years, that's one of the things that we wanted to do. Everybody on our team does something fun and extracurricular outside of their work and outside their families because we want to bring fun, creativity, and innovation to you. Now, I have to tell you, I am super excited. I'm super excited because after 10 years, all the big advertising and marketing firms I've looked up to, they always get to this point where they get to say, we have a wonderful shout out from a celebrity. I've been working my tail off and I can't wait to share this with you. I haven't even got to see it, so we're gonna see it in real time together. But here is my first celebrity shout out to Lambert Consulting.
Hi, it's me, your friend Bob the Train, with a very special shout out to all my friends at Lambert Consulting. I just found out you guys were celebrating your 10th anniversary. Wow! 10 is a very big number. Even my letter block friends were so excited that they came out to say congratulations. There's Mr. L and Mr. C. That stands for Lambert Consulting. And now I'd like to sing a special song just for you guys. Are you ready? Lambert Consulting is turning 10. I'm so glad that we're all friends. 10 years is a very long time for Andrew and all these friends of mine. Lambert Consulting is turning 10, and I'm so glad that we're all friends. I hope you enjoyed that song as much as I enjoyed singing it to you. Congratulations again on your 10th anniversary. And here's to 10 more years. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Bob the Train, for that. That was very nice. I met Bob in 2002 out in Vegas. Wonderful guy, lots of energy, lots of songs. All I can say was 2 bottles of tequila went missing and a small room fire in the Bellagio. I haven't talked to him in a long time. So that meant a lot. Thank you for taking time to give us that shout out. That's great. But I also was told that I have one more. Now I have to tell you, I was saving up for this. I think this is probably the most interesting man in the world. I love that actor. I love what he did with Dos Equis brand, and I think it's going to be wonderful. So let's sit back and get a great celebrity endorsement. Take a look.
Hip Hop Harry here. I would like to give a shout out to the staff and clients of Lambert Consulting. I hear that you're celebrating 10 years of being in the business. Wow, you should all be super proud. A business is only as good as its team. Congratulations. I'm wishing you all another 10 strong years. Go, 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 go.
Thank you, Hip Hop Harry. That was a very nice song. Harry and I go back to conference in Miami Beach, 99. Get another small fire and some tequila. I haven't seen him in 20 years. So thank you. That was great. And I'm being told I actually blew the budget. That's why we could not get a bigger name to celebrate our 10 years. I really like these. The Lambert Consulting hand sanitizer. The Lambert Consulting, I proudly stole this pen from his office. People like that. Unbelievable. And Hip Hop Harry, he's the only one that would call you back. You know the guy owes me money, right? I don't. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and I want to take this moment to thank both my past and present employees, business partners, and clients for helping me and this team to get to where we are today. I'm not here without you, without your dedication, without your support, without, quite frankly, a lot of love that came from you to see this happen. I don't take any of those moments lightly, and I can't wait to see what happens in the next 10 years. If this is where we are today and this is how I can impact lives, I can't wait to see what our 20th anniversary is going to look like. So from me, my team, and everybody that's tied to Lambert Consulting, thank you for a wonderful 10 years. Thank you for watching this video. And here's to 10 more great years of business.
Hey Andrew, congratulations to you and Lambert Consulting for your 10th birthday. I had the fortune to learn from Professor Lambert at Ivy Tech, and also had the fortune to have Andrew help us with our business, Lux Regi Lighting and Covering, for the last few years. He is a very passionate, caring person. He put as much energy and enthusiasm into our business as we did. So I would like to say thank you for your dedication to our success, and I would like to wish you many decades of success.
Congratulations, Andrew and the whole team at Lambert Consulting on your 10-year anniversary. I mean, wow. Not only is it impressive that you hit that 10-year mark, but the amount of ways that you help businesses grow through your knowledge of marketing, and the ways that you help members of this community by working with nonprofits. It's just really impressive, and definitely goals for me and my business when we are hitting that 10-year mark. Can't wait to see what you do in the next 10 years.